Flip-flops are melting in the heat. Sunglasses got eyelashes. Ladybugs settled on a cake. And all the makeup moved to the freezer. It's crystal clear that it's summer in the city. And summer pranks are back. It's just necessary to fix your makeup when the weather is so hot. I give my special makeup bag to my friend. No makeup will ever melt in it. Choose small cosmetics for this prank. Close the caps tightly. Put them into silicone molds. Fill them with water and put into a freezer for about 4 hours. Take out the hardened ice and put the makeup into a thermal bag. The blue-eyed girl takes out a frozen lipstick. Is it actually an ice age of makeup? These are beauty products with cooling effects. The Snow Queen Makeup. It's great for a hot day like this. You'll have to wait until the ice melts if you want to use it. We are having a heat wave. I want ice cream so much. And here comes my friend. She's having a special homemade ice cream. Dissolve instant cream soup in water. Pour it into ice cream molds and put it into a freezer. I'm trying the ice cream. The taste is weird. Is it a frozen lunch? Soup-flavored ice cream? I'm not going to eat this dessert. A new kind of sport. Synchronized pranks. Let's try it out with sunglasses. We take each other's sunglasses secretly. My prank will be with eyelashes. Attach self-adhesive fake lashes to the lenses. And Blondie just removes the excess, the lenses. Take the lenses out of the sunglasses carefully. We put the sunglasses back to each other. Turn around on the count of 3. We put on the sunglasses synchronously. The blue-eyed girl has no lenses. And Blondie's eyelashes have grown significantly. It's a tie in this round, 1-1. It's a beach day and my friend has come wearing flip-flops. It's a great occasion to pull off a prank. Moreover, anything can happen to shoes when it's so boiling hot. I am sneakily changing her flip-flops while she's dipping her feet into the seawater. Cut the straps off flip-flops. Take out the fasteners and squeeze out hot glue imitating the straps. When hardened, cover the glue with acrylic paint. It's time to get dressed. What is it? My flip-flops have melted. No wonder the temperature is so high. Even shoes get sunstroke sometimes. And how am I supposed to go home now? Barefoot? Or should I wait until my friend confesses that she is hiding my flip-flops behind her back? The blue-eyed girl is afraid of getting sunburned. Keep calm. I've got a special sunscreen. Pour condensed milk into a clean sunscreen bottle. My friend applies the sunscreen. It's so thick and sticky, looking exactly like condensed milk. Now I look like a sun dessert. Well, friend, watch out. A summer picnic in the park. I take along a nice mood, but forget about water. It's great that my friend has some lemonade, or had some lemonade. Something wrong has definitely happened to this bottle. Cut a lime into thin slices. Add 3 ounces of gelatin to about 50 fluid ounces of hot water. Pour it into my bottle. Put lime slices inside when the jelly gets thicker. What strange lemonade! It doesn't flow. And poor lime slices are trapped inside the bottle. I certainly won't quench my thirst with a drink like this. This works only in case I would like to eat some jelly. My friend takes off her cap and corrects her makeup. That's an extremely reckless decision, because this cap will be used for a prank. I'm letting hair down on my friend's cap while she's putting her hair up.